What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop on camera today to give you a review on the Infinity processing system. I've been with these guys for quite some time, and this really helped me out on my journey as trying to promote myself, to brand myself, and to be able to learn how to post on social media with low cost without for free. So, knowing how to do things on a free marketing scale. And this is very newbie friendly for those that doesn't have the budget to promote online, those that have the advertising budget to do cost per click or, solo ads, or know how to run things like that. This is what can help, newbies get off the ground. Now, this is a business in the box. This is a step-by-step blueprint on how to post on social media. So if you want to learn how to post on Facebook, doing YouTube videos, all different types of ways of doing free marketing, this is the perfect platform for you to get started with. So I'm going to run by the different types of features that you have with this program. Now, once you get started with the Infinity process system, you're going to be branded your own website. So this website is used to brand yourself, give a little bit of information about, how does it work, and they're going to help you, get that set up, once you be a part of the Infinity process system. Now, you see, how does it work? Follow our simple 3-step system to start making 100% commissions. Now, you don't have to worry about any monthly fees with this program. It's just a one-time payment option, and you pay your admin to get your website set up. So, step 1, get started. Join one of the levels to get access to your products and your step-by-step digital training. Step 2, post ads on social media. We show you exactly where and how to start posting on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer. Step 3, get paid. Start collecting 100% daily commission straight to your account. How powerful is that? Okay. So it just gives you a little bit of introduction on how does it work step by step. You're going to go through it, read. And these are the product packages that you could start off with. You got the $50 starter level. You got the $150 elite level and the highly recommended pro level, which is $300. Now, I do recommend starting at the highest level possible. That way you could be able to get access to all of the training and you don't leave no money on the table. You only pay a one-time admin fee, like I said before, to get your website hooked up and everything. You can see right here, just if you can't get at the pro level, you can always start at the lowest level, which is $50. Now, just keep in mind, once you do start at the $50 level, if someone signs up under you between the elite or the pro level, those commissions will be going up to your sponsor because you're not set at that level. So, like I said before, you want to come in at the highest level possible. So if you was to come in at the $300 level, which is the highest level, you will be able to earn people that comes in at the elite level and 50. So you get the point on that. All right. So these are all the different types of resources that you get. Even just at the $50 level, you get, $50 commissions. You get 30 marketing ads, 20 plus bonus image ads, mindset formula, art of persuasion. These is teaching you self-development. You get a 7-day fast action plan. This is teaching you basically how to set your agenda up through the whole week out of the 7-day period. You get a 6-figure closing script. Facebook marketing strategy. You get 30 Facebook groups, Craigslist marketing strategy, and Facebook support. So you also have the method of payments that you want to get paid. Whether you want to get paid with this right here is PayPal. You get Cash App. I'm with Zelle. You can also hook up your Stripe. So, if you want to have different methods of getting paid. But you have to make sure that you let the admins know how you want to get paid. So, it's good to have all this type of stuff, all right? So I'm going to show you like the earning potential that you can have. Now, this is very huge. This is to give you a little insight of what you could particularly be making just by making just one sale a day. So this is just at the $50 starter level. Look what you get to get. Okay, you get $50. One sale, $50 commissions. Take a look what you can make on a weekly basis. $350. Monthly, if you make one sale a day, that's $1,400. This is life changing, guys. This is really life changing. And 3 sales a day. If you get 3 sales a day, look, $4,200. Look at all these types if you're making each sale a day. That's very powerful. That's just out the $50 starter level. Same thing with the elite level. You see how much you can make on a weekly to monthly basis just by getting a certain sale out the day. This is all the potential stuff that you can make, you know, commissions. This is enough that right here where you could pretty much change your 9 to 5, you know, and start working like full time. And they have a refund policy. I'm gonna take you to the back office to show you how it looks. Now this is the whole back office. I am a part of the $300 level, so you know you get pretty much all access to all of the training here in the back office. So like I said, it's a one-time payment, y'all. One-time payment. You don't have to worry about monthly fees. So this is very powerful. And if you a newly marketer, newbie, this is Newbie Friendly. This is to teach you step by step on how you can market for free without paying for ads, without paying for cost per click. You know, because a lot of that stuff could be very, very costly when you first joining into marketing. So I have different step-by-step strategies of what I use, because you don't have to necessarily promote Infinity Processing System. You could use whatever platform that you have, whatever opportunity it'll offer just to promote this. It all is the same. It's the same way of promoting. So you want to check out the videos back here. You want to, you know, each of the steps has different videos on you know, how to be successful and everything you need to do to get started. Look, see, this is one of my favorites. You got Craigslist marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, TikTok marketing, Facebook mastery, all this type of different social media platforms to get started. So if you would like to get started with me, the link in the description will be below. I do have step-by-step training of you for those who get started with me at the highest level, which is the $300 level package, the pro level. I got marketing training for you guys on what I use on the daily operations to get leads to your business and signups. And that's the name of the game, is to get eyeballs to your opportunity. If you don't put your opportunity out there, nobody's going to be able to find you. So you do have to be consistent using this program, you know, because everybody's work ethic varies. So it depends on how much and how hard you work. That's going to determine what type of results that you get. I remember in the first time that I did this program, I had got 2 sales in 1 week. That's $600. People joining me at the $300 level. So that could work out for you too. But if you like to get started, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell for upcoming videos, tips, and strategies that I may have for you guys. If you like to get connected with me on social media, that link in the description will also be below. Alright, so that was just a little tutorial to show you about Infinity Processing System and what you can do with it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.